And this is from Anne, and we got this via email. And Anne says, I have a Chase Sapphire Reserve, but I'm unimpressed with the new benefits, and I don't like the higher annual fee. If I close the card to open a Sapphire Preferred, am I eligible for the new welcome bonus, or should I just downgrade the Reserve to the Sapphire Preferred?
So you are eligible for a welcome bonus on the Sapphire Preferred if you've never earned a welcome bonus on that card before. If you're under the 524 rule, in that case, I would downgrade the Sapphire Reserve card to something like a no annual fee Freedom Flex or Freedom Unlimited card, and then just straight out apply for the Sapphire Preferred. Just make sure that you have at least one of these cards open to keep your points alive. So, don't go and cancel your Reserve and then apply for the Preferred.